Have you ever gone to edit a video and your computer just can't handle it? Or you've run out of storage and you don't want to add another hard drive full of video projects to your collection? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a video editor that never has these issues. So video editing is becoming more and more popular as the need and want for video content grows. It's possible you haven't noticed, but we're seeing less and less still images every day and seeing videos everywhere. At home, on TV, on our phones, in cars, in the street, on billboards, at work during meetings. You get the idea. And to prove my point, you're watching a video right now, and I'm sure it's not the first one that you've seen today. Video content is just dominating social media. I mean, take a look at every social media platform out there. Obviously, there's YouTube, but take a look at Facebook. It now has its own version of Netflix, Facebook Watch. Snapchat started out as a photo sharing app, and now it has video, and that's pretty much all you see on there. Again, Instagram started out as a photo sharing app, and now video content is all we see on there. And then of course the video giant TikTok, which paved the way with short vertical videos for everyone else to follow. And then Twitter, not so much. But there's still tons of video posted on there every single day. And just on YouTube alone, there's over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, more than 1 billion videos watched every day, and YouTube Shorts brings in over 6.5 billion views every single day. So now you know that video content is important. No matter who you are or what you do, when it comes to running a business and creating content online, you have to make videos to stand out. It could be ads, tutorials, courses, compilations, podcasts, entertaining videos. Video content is on top. But the problem is someone needs to make these videos. And when starting out, not having the millions of dollars to outsource your content creation or the time to perfect the craft that is video editing, it can be tough. And here's what the journey of someone looking to start making their own video content looks like. And by the way, a lot of this is based on my own personal experience. So you decide you want to make videos for Instagram. You search for the standard video editor, open it up for the first time, panic, look for help online, and watch hours and hours and hours of tutorials. Then you get frustrated because all you wanted to do was add text, music, and images to create a funny Instagram video, but the learning curve is just too steep. So you decide to look for another video editor. You try DaVinci Resolve because you heard it's popular and it's free. You get confused and you find out it's nothing like the very little you know about Premiere Pro. But you try anyway. You make a little bit of progress on your video and you end up losing your project because your computer just isn't powerful enough to process the video editing. So you smash your keyboard and you tell yourself, I'm done with video editing. But you calm down and you decide to be patient and you try once more. This time with iMovie because you've heard it's reasonably simple and it doesn't take up much processing power. So you download iMovie from the App Store, you edit your video all the way through, you're happy with your video, and so you decide to render it. And then you find out halfway through the render that you've run out of storage on your laptop and you're like, that's it, right? I quit, I'm done with video editing. You tell yourself that it's just not for you. And here, my fellow content creators, is where I tell you to start using an online video editor, specifically an online video editor called Veed. And this is where your video editing journey truly starts. With veed.io, you can avoid many of the headaches that content creators come across every single day. And that is all thanks to it being online. First of all, you don't need a powerful computer. The intensive video processing and rendering is done on cloud servers and not by your computer's local components. You don't need extra hard drives for all your video content and projects because everything is stored safely up in the cloud. And if your computer runs out of battery or you lose it, you haven't lost your work because again, everything is automatically saved and stored in the cloud for you. This means you can edit your project from your desktop PC at home and then continue it later that day during your lunch break on your MacBook and then pick it up again on the bus ride home from your mobile phone. And being online also allows us to avoid the long file transfer times from the computer to hard drive, back to computer, and then to the internet. With Veed, it's already there. It's already online and you don't have to transfer it anywhere. And when you render your project, being online means you can share it instantly via a link for anyone to watch and even leave timestamped comments. But let's say you share your video project with a work colleague who has some great ideas in those timestamp comments, but you just don't have the time to implement them yourself, or you're just losing a lot of time going back and forth between editing and reviewing. Just invite that person to collaborate on that video project. And you can invite just more than one person. Groups of people can edit and review projects, speeding up the video production. And to speed up your video production even more, you can use Veed's brand kit, which allows you to store assets that you frequently use, such as custom fonts, logos, images, audio, without having to upload them every single time. And if you're creating standardized content, to save time, just duplicate your project and replace the video, and you've got yourself a template. And when you're happy with the outcome of your video and you've got the final render, you can instantly host it and embed that video anywhere you like without any ads. And you can also download it to your computer if you want to. And those are the benefits of using Veed's online video editor. And all of this is just the beginning to editing video online. So if you try it out, let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.